Journey, whatever you're doing, leave it alone. Get it, Journey, and leave it alone. I feel like you should always keep the community clean. This is my thoughts on recycling. I feel like you should always keep your community clean no matter what. Wherever you live, I feel like you should want your area to be nice and clean and very detailed and organized, if you know what I mean. I feel like dropping trash is littering, and I don't feel like littering is appropriate because we try to keep our community as clean as possible. Some people doesn't care about keeping the community clean, but me, if I see something, I like to pick it up. I don't like to litter. I might catch myself doing it sometimes, but I'll turn around and pick it right back up because I don't like to catch myself littering. Yeah, I feel like littering is like not really good for your environment. But like we can do Journey. Didn't he just tell you to open that TV? Come sit down. Zamora. Come sit down. Like I feel like why are you saying please stop when you keep saying hey to him? Hey, hey, hey. If you want him to stop, then you stop saying hi to him. I don't get it. We're not gonna come in here being rude. We're not gonna come in here being rude. Talk to daddy. Say okay.
I think she's not talking about you.
Yeah, I think that's really rude, Shylin. Don't be mean to my moderators, please. Thank you. My moderators are hardworking people. Please don't do that to my moderators. Have some respect. Thank you. No, y'all not gonna be running around. But yeah, that's how I felt on community. I feel like you should always keep your environment clean. I feel like you should pick up trash if you see it. I feel like if you have an animal, you should not let your animal use the bathroom on people's property. I feel like you should have like litter bags to pick, the aftermath of, pick it up. I feel like you should keep your yards clean because it just makes your house look more presentable. Come out of the kitchen. Come out of the kitchen. Get them out the kitchen because they're not listening. But yeah, I feel like community should be a big deal on keeping it clean because who wants to live in a dirty environment? Not me.